Hi everybody, it's Sorrel here and we're going to have some songs together. This is the last of the shared sounds music sessions, but luckily you can watch all the other episodes. This is the 12th one, and thank you for coming and singing with me all the time. If you want to remember some of the songs, if you look at the other sessions, you can watch them all again. So today we're going to sing some songs about a circle, and we're going to sing songs about a woodpecker. Have you seen I've got a woodpecker with me today? He's busy pecking on the tree, making himself a house. Don't know if anyone's got a woodpecker puppet. If not, you can make your hand into a woodpecker and you can peck, 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 peck on your tree. What else have I got today? I've got some little friends who are going to sing with me. Badger and Badger. Little Rabbit. Can you see? Put them there. And who else have we got? We've got a hedgehog. Little hedgehog. So have you got any little friends that can come and sing with you today? Oh, hedgehog, don't fall over. I've got a ladybird. I've got a butterfly. And there's a few more that live in this tree over here, which we're going to meet later on. But if you've got any of your little friends that want to come and sing and join in, that would be lovely. I've also got today some egg boxes. What do you think we're going to use the egg boxes for? I've got lots of different egg boxes. Maybe you'll find out later on what we're going to do with them. I've also got some wood blocks. Anything you have got to tap, 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 tap. That will be good for our woodpecker song. Peck, 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 peck. Makes the sound of a woodpecker pecking on a tree. And I've also got a drum. Now, I'm not going to play the drum today, but I'm going to use it because it is a circle. And, also for some other things when later on we're going to make a pizza. Just remembered I've got to get my pizza. My pizza was in the oven cooking. Let's see if it's ready. I think it is. Can you see my pizza? I was busy making this pizza with my friends this morning, and we're going to tell you all about it in a minute. We'll put that over there. And I was thinking that maybe some people would make their own pizza on a piece of paper and then draw all of the toppings, and you can chop it up and eat it with your friends. Right, we're ready for our first song, which is all about making a circle. So let's use the drum, and we're going to go round and round the drum with our finger and make a circle. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. Do you know, when I sing this song, my favourite thing to do is to hold hands with my friends, and then we walk around in a circle. But my friends aren't here today. Shall I pretend? Holding hands. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. I wonder if you're holding hands with anyone in a circle and joining in. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. So we've got our circle drum, we've got our circle holding hands, going round and round in the room. What else can I do with a circle? What is this? This isn't a circle. Maybe I can paint a circle in the air. Go back a little bit so you can see it properly. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. I'm painting painting a rainbow circle with my scarf. My other hand's going to have a turn. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. That was a big rainbow circle. I wonder if we can make a tiny little circle. I use the tip of my scarf. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. Even tinier. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. Can you scrumple your scarf up? Oh, where's it gone? It's tiny now. With my circle drum, I'm going to go round and round, make a little tiny scrumpled up circle. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. Oh, it's all big again. Right around my head. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. That was a very big, slow circle. But when we scrunch it up, we can make a really tiny, fast circle. I'm going to do it on my tummy. You see, on my tummy, I'm going to go round and round and round. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. And I'm going to go round my face and make a circle. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. All the different ways we can make circles. I wonder if you could do it with a pen on a piece of paper, and you could do circles round and round on the piece of paper while you sing. Let's make a circle, a circle, a circle. Let's make a circle here today. That sounds like a good idea. I'm going to do that later on. Right, we'll put this in the drum and we're going to see who's going to come and sing some songs with us today. It's my new friend, the woodpecker. Now, woodpeckers are very clever birds because they find a tree. This is my little tree with my friends living in it. And they peck and they peck and they peck in the tree until they make a hole in the tree. And it's very tippy-tappy sound. This tree's a bit quiet, so I'm going to help the woodpecker making a pecking sound. Can you hear that? What does that sound like? Does it sound like a woodpecker? Something else it sounds a bit like is a clock going tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Or maybe somebody with a hammer going tap, 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 tap when they're banging in a nail. Can you do that? Tap, 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 tap. Or maybe somebody at the door, like the postman, knock, knock, knocking. Knock, 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 knock. And all because of the tapping sound. Right, woodpecker, it's your turn. Ready to tap on the tree? Oh, he's not tapping. What's he doing with his beak? He's peck, 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 peck. Oh, even faster, woodpecker. Woodpecker, woodpecker, pecking on the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, who do you see? Who do you see, woodpecker? Oh, who can you see? Oh, he can see butterfly. I see butterfly flying past the tree. I see butterfly and she sees me. Hello, butterfly. Oh, really good. Oh, don't want to sit up there on your own, Mr. Woodpecker. There we go. I see butterfly flying past the tree. I see butterfly and she sees me. Oh, butterfly, I think I need some beautiful butterfly sound for you. That's better. I see butterfly flying past the tree. I see butterfly and she sees me. Bye-bye, Mr. Woodpecker. Butterfly's gone away. Right, Woodpecker, time to peck again. Peck, 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 peck. Woodpecker, woodpecker, pecking on the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, who do you see? Have a look around, Woodpecker, see who you can see. Oh, who can you see down there? Can you see Hedgehog? There he is. He's underneath the tree looking up at you. Can you see him? Ready? Oh, just stay there, Hedgehog. They're a bit folly down, these friends today. I see a hedgehog underneath the tree. I see a hedgehog and he sees me. I see a hedgehog underneath the tree. I see a hedgehog and he sees me. Hello, hedgehog. Hello, Woodpecker. Right, Woodpecker, time to peck some more holes in your tree. Got to go on this side now. He's pecking again. Peck, 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 peck. Woodpecker, woodpecker, pecking on the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, who do you see? Who can he see down here? Oh, little ladybird, what are you doing? I see a ladybird climbing up the tree. I see a ladybird and she sees me. Oh, don't fall off, ladybird. I see a ladybird climbing up the tree. I see a ladybird and she sees me. Ladybird at the top of the tree. She's climbed all the way up to the top. Wow, she's going to sit there with her friend Woodpecker. And let's see, Woodpecker, you're going to peck again. Are you ready? Oh, Woodpecker's ready to peck. Peck, 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 peck. Woodpecker, woodpecker, pecking on the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, who do you see? Oh, he's looking down here and he can see Badger and Badger. Two badgers. I see two badgers down under the tree. I see two badgers and they see me. Hello, hello, says the woodpecker. Hello and hello, said the two badgers. I see two badgers down under the tree. I see two badgers and they see me. Wow, Woodpecker, you have got a lot of friends. Oh, he's going back to do some more pecking. Oh. woodpecker pecking on the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, who do you see? Woodpecker, woodpecker pecking on the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, who do you see? Can you see one more friend? All the way down here. It's Rabbit. Hello, Rabbit. Oh, Ladybird. Did you jump down to see Rabbit? Rabbit's going to sit underneath the tree, in the shade of the tree. Hi, hi. It's going to sit underneath the tree. I see a rabbit underneath the tree. I see a rabbit and he sees me. He's waving with his ears. I see a rabbit underneath the tree. I see a rabbit and he sees me. Hello. All of your friends, Woodpecker. Can you see any more friends? Oh, Woodpecker can see one more friend, so we've got to sing it one more time. Ready to peck? Going to peck at the front this time. Oh, that's a loud peck, Woodpecker. Woodpecker, woodpecker, pecking on the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, who do you see? Woodpecker's found another friend who lives inside his tree. And this is a little wren, which is a very small bird who lives in a little hole in the tree. So you I see wren living in my tree. I see a wren and she sees me. Hello, Woodpecker. This is the best tree ever, says the wren. I see a wren living in my tree. I see a wren and she sees me. Hello, little wren. Hello, little big woodpecker. To sit on the top of the tree together and look at the view. See what you can see. Wow, I love that song, Woodpecker. Thank you for singing and pecking and visiting all of your friends. That was so nice to meet you. Right, I'm so hungry after all that singing. Do you want to come? Anyone else hungry? Anybody else hungry today? Oh, little mouse. Little mouse is hungry. Badgers, are you hungry? Badgers are not hungry. Badgers are going away somewhere else. Where are you going, Badgers? Who else is hungry? Mouse is hungry. Oh, Woodpecker is hungry. Very hungry. And Hedgehog, are you hungry? Yes. And Rabbit, they're both very hungry. They're coming too. Ladybird and Butterfly, are you hungry? They're not hungry. They're going away. And Little Wren, are you hungry? No. Little Wren's not hungry. Going back in her tree. Is that all we need? We only need 4 friends to cook some food with today. Oh, what are we going to cook? We're so hungry. Oh, I've got a good idea because I was cooking earlier. Do you remember what I made? I made a pizza. And you see my pizza with all my different toppings. Oh, I'm so hungry. It's going to be yum, yum, yum. Right, everybody. Come and see what we've got today. Oh, do you like making pizza, Woodpecker? Peck, 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 peck. Do you like making pizza, Rabbit? Tasty. Right. So, I would like a pizza as cheesy as can be. I'm going to make a pizza and I'll have it for my tea. A pizza as cheesy as as can be. Sprinkle your cheese. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm going to make a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. Does that sound good? I'm going to try it again, and this time I'm going to clap my hands while I sing. I'm going to make a pizza as cheesy as can be. I'm going to make a pizza and I'll have it for my tea. A pizza as cheesy as can be. I'm going to make a pizza and I'll have it for my tea. With my friends. Maybe you can have a pizza for tea too. We could all make it together. Now, as well as cheese on my pizza, what could we put on it? Woodpecker, what do you want to put on the pizza? Ooh, Woodpecker puts on peppers. Peppers. Maybe it sounds like peck, 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 pepper. Peck, 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 pepper. Is that why you do it, Woodpecker? Woodpecker's making a pizza with peppers on for tea. Woodpecker's making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. A pizza with peppers on for tea. Woodpecker's making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. Thanks, Woodpecker. We love peppers. Who else is going to help? Hedgehog, are you going to help? Hedgehog is going to put on the pizza some pepperoni. Sounds good. Let's do some actions to join in. We're going to do like this. Hedgehog's making a pizza with pepperoni. Hedgehog's making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. A pizza with pepperoni. Hedgehog's making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. Sounds good, Hedgehog. Anybody else want to put something on the pizza? What's your favourite thing to put on the top of a pizza? Rabbit, it's your turn. What are you going to put on? Mushrooms. Are you ready with your mushrooms? Right, ready, Rabbit. Rabbit with mushrooms. We're going to go nibble, 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 nibble mushrooms. Nibble, 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 nibble mushrooms. Rabbit's making a pizza with mushrooms on for tea. Rabbit's making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. A pizza with mushrooms on for tea. Rabbit's making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. Rabbit loves mushrooms. Now Mouse, what are you going to put on? Nibble, nibble, nibble. Mouse likes the nibble, nibble, nibble. What's Mouse going to put on? Tomatoes. Tomatoes for the mouse. Right, let's do clap and knees. Clap and knees. Mouse is making a pizza with tomatoes on for tea. Mouse is making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. A pizza with tomatoes on for tea. Mouse is making a pizza and we'll have it for our tea. Well done, Mouse. Oh, he's having a little nibble. Nibble, 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 nibble. Nice, 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 said the mouse. Oh, fantastic. So this is the pizza we all made together. And we're going to put extra cheese on the top because pizzas are best with lots of cheese. Right, so we're going to do, what are we going to do? We're going to do tap, 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 tap for everybody. Everybody's making a pizza. Ready? We're all making a pizza as cheesy hungry. Let's dig in. Oh, I didn't even cut it, Rabbit. We all started eating it before I was cutting it. Right. There's a piece for Mouse. There you go, Mouse. You can take that one over there. There's a piece for Rabbit. Rabbit's taking his pizza over there. Hedgehog. There's a piece for Hedgehog. Taking it over there. And Woodpecker gets this piece. There you go, Woodpecker. Mmm, tasty. Tasty. We like pizzas. And there's some left for me as well. Oh, and there's one left for you. Do you want it? Nibble, 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 nibble. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, that was so tasty. And put it over there. And we'll do the washing up later on. Hey, Rabbit, have you finished? Rabbit's finished. Where's he going? Going on a walk, Rabbit. Where's Rabbit going? Hi, everybody. Oh, Rabbit's found a very special thing over here made out of all the egg boxes. Oh, Rabbit, what are you doing? He's putting on a little hat. Can you see Rabbit's got a little hat on? I think Rabbit's going to go on a journey in his little train that he's made out of the egg box. Look, Rabbit's in a little train. He's going to go. What does a train go? I'm a train going down the line. Woo woo! That's the whistle. When it stops, please join on behind. Rabbit, who's going to join on behind? He's having a little look to see. Here comes another train. And the next person to be on it is... Oh, let's have a look who's going to be on the next train. Hedgehog and Mouse. Hedgehog and Mouse. Oh, I think I'm going to use that one instead. Hedgehog and Mouse. Can you sit there, Hedgehog and Mouse, carefully on the train? We're a train, we're a train. We're a train, we're a train. We're a train, we're a train, going down the line. Woo woo! When we stop, please join on behind. Rabbit, have a look. Who's going to join on your train next? He's peeking. Who's it going to be? Here they come. Oh, they're flying. We have got butterfly and we have got ladybird. Butterfly, ladybird, going down the line. Butterfly and ladybird, please join on behind, says Rabbit. Right, are they safely in the train, Rabbit? It's time to go. We're a train, we're a train. We're a train, we're a train, going down the line. Woo woo! When we stop, please join on behind. Wow, Rabbit, this is a very, very long train. Who's coming next? Rabbit's seeing who it is. Who's it going to be? It's going to be Badger and Badger. Badger and Badger, Badger and Badger, going down the line. Badger and Badger, Badger and Badger, please join on behind. you fit in? It's quite cosy in there, Badger and Badger. Oh, they can fit in. Right, let's see if this train's gonna go. Rabbit, are you ready? Ready, Rabbit's ready to drive. We're a train, we're a train. We're a train, we're a train, going down the line. Woo woo! When we stop, please join on behind. Oh goodness, Rabbit, who's it going to be next? Rabbit doesn't know. Oh, I see who it is. Woodpecker, Woodpecker, going down the line. Woodpecker, Woodpecker, please join on behind. Right, Rabbit, your train is ready to go. We're a train, going down the line. Woo woo! When we stop, please join on behind. Oh, Badger, don't fall out. We're a train, going down the line. Woo woo! When we stop, please join on behind. We're a train, we're a train. We're a train, going down the line. Woo woo! When we stop, please join on behind. Oh, wow, Rabbit, you've got the best train I've ever seen. And I like your train driver's hat, so that everyone knows that you're the boss. Fantastic. I wonder where they're going on their journey. I'm going to go past the woodpecker's tree and off into the distance. See you later, everybody. Have a good journey. Bye. Oh, thank you for singing the train song with Rabbit and all his friends going on their journey. I'm afraid it's time to finish, but remember, you can watch all of the songs anytime you want. You can watch them on Facebook and you can watch them on YouTube. If you follow the Bureau or if you follow Note Weavers, if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, or if you find Shared Sounds Sessions with Sorrel, then you'll find them on Facebook as well. So keep singing and keep playing games with your toys, and I'll see you one day soon. Bye. It's time to finish. It's time to stop. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, Rabbit on the train and all your friends. It's time to finish. It's time to stop. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, Woodpecker. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. It's time to finish. It's time to stop. It's time to say goodbye. They're off again on their adventures, on their journey. Goodbye, Rabbit. Goodbye, everybody. See you later.